In this video, we will discuss about the definitive guide to Instagram live videos for businesses. Instagram live video is shortcut to the top. What's more, Instagram stories and displayed at the top of the feed, so they have more likely to catch users' attention than regular content. It gets better. When you use Instagram Live, you have bumper to first place in the stories that are shown down the feed. So forget about losing out to Instagram algorithm. Instagram Live is a shortcut to the front of the line, and that's just the beginning. You can harness this phenomena to capture attention, make connections. In this video, I will take you step by step through everything you need to know to produce a successful Instagram live stream. You will learn all about Instagram live features and settings, as well as how to plan and promote your broadcast. Instagram Live is a feature that works within Instagram stories and allows users to broadcast live videos to other users on the platform. Instagram stories are shown at the top of the feed. Any accounts that are currently live will include the live icon. To view an Instagram live video, simple tap on the story thumbnail. The image below of John Mary performance. The platform has 1 billion monthly active users. Additionally, according to Instagram, 50% of users say they follow at least one brand on the platform. But here is the best part. According to Instagram stats for 2021, at least 80% of Instagram users rely on Instagram to decide whether to buy a product or service. This notification can be a huge help in exposing your broadcasting to more of your followers. Plus, your audience can submit their questions and comments on your video in real time. This can be a great way to get insights and feedback directly from people who matter to your business. Moreover, you can now post sticker, Q&A and into your live Instagram stories.